Shout out to Nas and J. Cole for this. But niggas try to say I can't spit. Cash can't spit. This niggas is fucking crazy. Wow. The runner-up, pass the baton. Breaking records like Bonds, for that metal I'm LeBron. Never say it in my songs, but I gotta say it. The way y'all niggas show hate is like I gotta make it. Throwing jabs like Ali, don't try me. It's like suicide and y'all not getting by me. Negrophobia took over, signs of death moving closer. But we can't stop sinning till it's over. Let the past flash and focus on the future, or let this young nigga be a tutor. Life's handing more pictures for me to frame. Chase the dream, not the fame. Bunch of lames, more than just a game. But I gotta win, fuck losing, I'ma take it if I gotta sin. Kept the eye on them when I noticed that they wasn't loyal. And my mom told me that them niggas wasn't for you. But I can't get involved with that. Hoes after cheese, I can't get involved with rats. Fucking can't complain, coolin' like a fan. One question for you niggas, who's the man? He the man. He the man. Who? He the man. A Cash. He the man. Who the fuck is that? He the man. A Cash, nigga. He the man. Yeah. He the man. BX, stand up. He the man. They saying rap dead, I'm defibrillated. Saying they on their way, I ain't intimidated. About the myths, I know the morals. Click play and watch the tutorial. Young and ill, plus I know better. My deadbeat pops alive, I'm so clever. In the snow weather with no jacket. Stuck niggas with no traffic. I'm throwing signs in the air, I just hope you catch it. Threw my rock in the air to get prepared. Sure I'm part of a circle, no square. But it's getting tighter from the East Coast, but I'm getting righter. Keep feuding while I sneak to the top. Playing battle with the burrows. I'ma climb till I'm hot like a squirrel. And it's there to eat on my plate, full of meat, no pause. I'm a grown man, I said it because most niggas go commercial, but I can't do it. Staying in my lane, making legend shit like stamp duty. Learning the past, calling them Cash, ain't calling them Nash. Didn't assist, making a wish for those who ain't present. Lived the hell before now, y'all in heaven. Misspoke the words, no recognition for a deal. But I got hope, that line for them record deals, hope. For them niggas making mills though, they overrated. A freak of smart, man, they overrated. I almost lost the point in going over this hit. It's to say I'm coming up to take over this shit, nigga. Cash can't